So guys, it's actually been a really long time since I've been this excited about Cardano because I have a massive bag of ADA and I've been waiting for it to pump. But maybe, just maybe, we got some news today that is pretty solid. And I mean really solid. And, this could really bode well for Cardano as we get further along in this bull run. We know that Cardano moved on its own kind of last cycle, and it still did a massive upward trend. It just didn't do it when we thought it would happen. And the same thing could be playing out at some point this bull cycle. My Cardano bags are packed, but we got some news today that is a game changer coming out of the Cardano Summit, and it has to do with ADA and Bitcoin in some ways merging together. Yes, this could be a massive catalyst for Cardano. Now, the price has not moved as of late, and it's still not moving, but the RSI is relatively flat. Guys, I believe in the long-term future of Cardano. I'm holding the line with my 100,000 plus Cardano, and today's news makes that a little easier. I'm not going to lie, because, it's very easy to get frustrated and not be patient, but with Cardano, I've remained pretty patient. Now, we're still sitting at a $12 billion market cap, 34 cents, 35 cents. We were accumulating Cardano at 25 cents a lot during the bear market. We did have that pop up to about 80 cents, give or take, a little bit over that back in March. But it's been a while since we've been in an upward trend. You guys can see the last 7 days up slightly, but the last month we're down about 10%, and we're only up 25% here in the last year. And since we topped out with our local highs in March, we have been on a downtrend since. But the news that came out today, and here it is pretty groundbreaking. And I know that word is often overused, right? But here's what we've got. Cardano comes home to Bitcoin in groundbreaking BOS Grail Bridge integration. Yes, you read that right. Cardano, the 11th largest blockchain by market cap, is integrating the Bitcoin OS Grail Bridge to unleash decentralized programmability and scalability on Bitcoin. So, why is this so relevant? Well, let's start here. Bitcoin OS is the ultimate upgrade to Bitcoin. Now, when we click here and we go to bitcoinos.build, it will show you that this is the first open source code to verify ZK proofs on Bitcoin, bringing DeFi, decentralized applications, to Bitcoin. And the fact that Cardano is jumping into this and they're going to have kind of a first mover advantage, to me, is a really, really big deal. Now, Dan Gambardello, of course, one of the biggest, if not the biggest Cardano advocates out there on social media, says, I don't think people understand how big this is. Cardano just skipped the line to become the most technically important chain besides Bitcoin. And stop talking about price for a second. And I know he's probably frustrated with price action just like I am, but that's okay. We'll continue to hold the line because we believe in this thing long term. The ADA price boom is not even due yet. The timing of this is so good. And he says, enjoy the show. And he recently put out a video talking about price action. And I know a lot of people don't even want to get into it. Honestly, neither do I. I'm just, we can take a look at all the technicals and all of that. To me, it's like, just be patient and wait for things to play out, right? Like, we know that Cardano has the potential to make a massive move. We know that we were way down in here in the bear markets. We made a little move in March. We're back down here, and we're waiting for that, boom, big ascend with the rest of the altcoin market. And this news that came out today, with BOS, definitely solidifies Cardano. And it says here, this makes Cardano the first major layer 1 blockchain to plug into BOS infrastructure, opening its ecosystem of crypto features to Bitcoin's immense capital. Anytime you're tied into Bitcoin in any way is a positive thing, right? This isn't just a tech milestone. It's the homecoming of the biggest names in crypto back to Bitcoin. The divide between Bitcoin and crypto has been a glaring issue. But now with Bitcoin adding decentralized applications, there's going to be some linkages, and Cardano is making the first big move. Bitcoin holds most of the value. We know that. Upwards to 60% of the total market cap in crypto belongs to Bitcoin. At BOS, they believe that bridging this gap will help create a new digital ecosystem of value that's greater than the sum of its parts. Emergo, the founding entity of Cardano, partnered with BOS to enhance liquidity via the Grail bridge, enabling trustless bridging of Bitcoin and other Bitcoin assets. They use a zero-knowledge ZK cryptography to let Bitcoin users move their assets securely. Cardano is now well-positioned ahead of its crypto peers as a pioneer of Bitcoin's new decentralized world. Congrats on becoming a BOS Cardano. So Charles Hoskinson, you guys know, he doesn't work necessarily fast, but he works smart. That's one of the reasons why he left Ethereum in the first place. Vitalik is all about get it out now, fix it later. Hoskinson is always about taking a very measured approach, and when things come out, they have a big impact. So this is a big day for Cardano. Definitely some breaking Cardano news for you guys. ADA and BTC. It's happening, guys. They're coming together, and this could not be at a better time than right now for Cardano ahead of this big bull run. I'm super excited. Now, if you guys do want to get yourself prepared and ready for that big Cardano run, a couple things you can do. Number one is check out XT Algo. This is my trading indicator. So we'll be notified first. If you are an XT Algo member, you are going to be notified first when the chart starts to break out. I'm going to go on record and say that this is going to happen. There's going to be a time where Cardano paints a big green candle. We're going to get a momentum up, and it is going to be followed by big time gains. And if you're ahead of the curve, you're going to know first when you have XT Algo. My trading indicator has been out for over a year now. We've got hundreds of people using it every single day. You can easily set up your own custom alerts. When you do sign up, I walk you through how to use the product. So don't feel like you're left out on an island. We've got that covered for you. Step-by-step tutorial on how to get this thing set up. And we have some great options for you, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. These are actually slashed by 21%. So you can get this as cheap as $37 a month right now. And here's the kicker. If you don't like the product in a month, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee, full refund. My team will get you a full refund in 30 days. You can essentially try the product for free for 30 days. Make sure you use the discount code X when you sign up. Links down below to everything XT Algo. I appreciate you guys for watching, and just have patience with ADA, guys. There are a lot of cryptos out there right now that are very, very solid. It's just not their season just yet. It's just not their time. But things can switch on a dime in crypto. We know that. And when it does, you want to be ahead of the curve. I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.